Welcome to So Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today is a very special day for me. It is 12 years since I started my YouTube channel in 2014. Now, this was something I never put my goals on doing, but it was something my son had suggested that I do. He felt it was a great way for me to teach more than one person at a time and a great way for me to be able to be more creative. And I hate to admit it, he was right. I have enjoyed every single moment along the way. So much so that instead of doing one video a week, I upped it to 2 a week. So every Tuesday and Thursday, give or take a couple of videos, I have put out a video. I have created 1,234 videos. It is a crazy number. Never in my wildest dreams would I ever have thought that I would be doing that. I also didn't think I would be honorable to have the YouTube award, do another passion and write 3 books, develop notions, have an online store, and build a community called So Very Easy. I have enjoyed every minute of it, and I have enjoyed being part of your life and your comments for so long. Now, I am going to still be doing videos, so we don't have to worry about me leaving. I love what I do, but I'm going to cut them down a little bit and do them just on Tuesdays with a sprinkle of videos here and there. What I want to do is focus some more time on doing some more developing, do some more writing, and create more things. I'm also going to pop in and do some cooking videos with my husband. We have a cooking channel called Cooking with the Koyas. You usually see him on that channel because I haven't had time to be able to share my recipes with you. So that is another thing that I would like to do. I am still going to have the newsletter. I am still doing the videos. I still have the online store. Everything is going to be the same. Just going to cut down the video making time so I have that extra time to focus on other things that I enjoy doing. So we are still going to have our So Very Easy community, and I do hope you continue to join along every Tuesday with So Very Easy to see what creative things that we can come up with. I do enjoy reading your comments, and I do enjoy seeing the projects that you have made. 2026 is going to be a fabulous year, and I'm looking forward to spending it with you. Thank you for joining me today on So Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I have a newsletter. It's all free under So Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a spectacular day. Bye for now.